Students, this is class 10th ICSE. I am going to teach you English language. Okay? Now, today's chapter is comparison of adjectives. Listen carefully, students. Find in your book comparison of adjectives. As the chapter reads comparison of adjectives. I think all of you know about adjectives. Adjectives, the qualifying words, the words which qualify noun or pronoun are called adjectives. किसी की अच्छाई या बुराई बताने वाले शब्द adjectives कहलाते हैं. The word which qualifies noun or pronoun are called adjectives. This relates to the adjectives. Now, there is comparison of adjectives. These adjectives are also used to compare the language. Compare the language. In what way? There are degrees of comparison. You must know there are degrees of comparison. Like this, there are 3 degrees of comparison. First one is positive degree. Second one is comparative degree. Third one is superlative degree. There are 3 degrees to why anything. We take some words as good. Good means अच्छा, और ज़्यादा अच्छा better, सबसे अच्छा best, good, better, best, like this. Mostly from positive to comparative. In most of the words, er is used. Like tall, then it becomes taller. T-A-L-L-E-R. Er will be added to this word to make it used in comparative. And in the superlative degree, est is added to this word. Tallest, tall, taller, tallest, T-A-L-L-E-S-T. So tall, positive degree, taller, comparative degree, and tallest, superlative degree. Okay, is it clear, students? Now, here is a conversion of degree of comparison. Conversion of degrees, conversion in positive to comparative, in comparative to superlative, superlative to positive. So we have to convert these degrees into one to another. Okay? So what we will do for that? For that we require some words such as in positive degree. If we have to frame positive degree of comparison, then we use as as, then adjective positive form, and after that as, such as tall as good as, like this. Okay, but in comparative degree we use word than after to make comparison between two things. Okay, we use word than after adjective and comparative form of the adjective, such as taller than. We used before word tall, T-A-L-L, tall. Tall, here we use as tall as, but here in comparative degree we will write it like this, as taller than. Okay, but in superlative degree to this word tall we will use the और टाल का tallest, the tallest. Okay, so there is such a difference in using of these words. In positive degree we use as, then word, then as good as tall as fat as. But in comparative degree we use better than, taller than, fatter than, happier than. Okay, but in superlative degree we use the tallest, the best, the fattest. Okay, is it clear to you? Okay students, now we will teach you how to convert positive into comparative and comparative into positive, comparative into superlative, superlative into comparative, superlative into positive, like this. We can change them one to another form. Positive to comparative, comparative to superlative, superlative to comparative, comparative to positive. Okay, so in assignment given below we have to convert this degree of comparison. Okay, in your book there are few examples are given for your help, but try to understand from here. Suppose for conversion together, if our sentence is given in positive degree, how will I know there is positive degree? The word as and as will be used. And if there is comparative, then we will know from here then word will be used after the adjective. And if the sentence is in superlative degree, then the word will be used there. Then we can know this sentence contain this degree. Okay. Now come at the point. If the sentence contain positive degree, no other fruit is as sweet as the mango. Students, pay attention toward this sentence to make a good conversion. Conversion without mistake. Pay attention towards this sentence. No other fruit is as sweet as the mango. Because you must know there is a condition that the sense of the sentence should not be changed. We have to change the degree of comparison, but the sense of the sentence should not be changed. It is not allowed. So pay attention towards it very seriously. Here in this sentence, mango is sweet than other fruits. Okay, so then mango should be sweet. In comparative, it should not be sweeter or the sweetest. It should be sweet. Okay. No other fruit is as sweet as the mango. So here, if we convert it into comparative degree, then mango should be sweet. No other fruit should be sweeter than the mango. Okay. Then we will convert it like this. The mango from this point. Mango this word we will take from the starting point. The mango is the same sentence is as sweet as के स्थान पर के place पर as sweet as के जगह पे ये comparative degree में as I told you before then word will be used and sweet in place of sweet sweeter word will be used. Then the mango is sweeter, because we are changing it into comparative degree. So the word sweeter will be used and after sweet then will be used. Okay, this is compulsion. The mango is sweeter than any other. Okay, so you can see the sense is not changed but the degree is changed. Only the degree is changed, but the sense of this sentence and this sentence are the same. Now come at the next point. If we want to take this sentence into superlative degree, then what we will do? The mango remains the mango, is remains the is, and sweeter changes into the, then sweetest. Sweeter, in place of sweeter we will use sweetest, and before it the is compulsory. Okay, the sweetest of all other fruits, all the fruits. Okay, then watch it carefully. The mango is the sweetest of all the fruits. Okay, did you understand this? I think all of you have understood. I repeat this again. Look at the positive degree of sentence. No other fruit is as sweet as mango. Here the mango is sweet. Okay. Then we will, if we will convert it into comparative degree, then we will bring mango from there to at the subject place. Okay. The mango is sweeter than. We will use as sweet as in place of as sweet as we will use sweeter than. Okay, sweeter than any other fruit. But in superlative degree, the mango remains the mango, is remains the is, and sweeter than. In place of sweeter than, we use the sweetest. The sweetest. Mango is the sweetest of all the fruits. That's all, students. In this chapter, various examples are given below this discussion. Then there is assignment. You will have to do that assignment. Okay.